OnSignTribe.com. Once you click on the Video Cards tab, it'll take you to this page with all different categories of vocabulary words. A brand new category is added every month, and video cards are added to a few different categories that are already existing. So when you click on one of these squares with the vocabulary word, family, you'll see that vocabulary cards will appear. So if you click on a vocabulary card or a video card, you'll see that the video card is here. There's going to be a video with audio showing you how to sign the word family, a picture, the word in English, and the word in Spanish. Underneath, you can see that there are related video cards from that same category of family, and you can very easily scroll through and click on another one to watch after you're finished with this one.
Family. So make two F's with your hands. Start them together in front of you like this, and then you're going to come around family. Family.
I show at different angles. You can also adjust the speed.
Family. Family. So make two F's with your hands. Start them together.
So you can adjust the speed for each and every video that is on this website, even in the lessons. So all of the video card videos can be adjusted as far as the speed that you need that best fits your needs. And so with the video with audio showing you how to sign the word, a picture, the word in English, and the word in Spanish, I'm accommodating to several different learning types. So whether you like to hear things, watch things, or best associate something new with a picture or a word, I am trying to accommodate to as many different learning preferences or styles as possible. So again, when you become a member on OnSignTribe.com, you just click on the video cards, choose any one of these categories, once the category comes up, then you can watch any of the videos that you would like, and also very easily scroll through the related video cards within that category.